Okay, so how this works is this diagram right here. So this, now instead of looking at the end of the wall, now we're standing here and we're looking through the exterior wall and we're looking at this wall. So this is what this wall will look like. These up here are your floor joist. That's this right here that you're seeing. There might be it's called a rim joist. And what it does is it comes all the way across and it basically ties all those together. You'll know what that is. So then here's the 4x6 underneath. Now, if the floor joists are running and they're setting on this exterior wall, like they are, then you put your stud underneath that floor joist. So you put your 4x6 in, and then wherever the stud is, you line the floor joist is, you line this. It doesn't have to be exact, just pretty close. That way you've got direct weight transfer from here through the 4x6 and over here. If these are over here, what happens with the force comes down, it's going to turn, and then it's going to hit this. But it's better if they're lined up because it's direct force. And then here's the 2x8 on the bottom. I'm going to start another clip.